When I was a kid and I got sick, my mom would set me up on the couch, and then I remember her so lovingly bringing me down a cup of ginger ale to help settle my stomach. Like ginger ale, we can use the essential oil to support our wellness. In this video, I will talk about how to use ginger essential oil, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. One of my favorite ways to use ginger essential oil is support stomach wellness. I like to dilute it and apply it to my abdomen to help my stomach feel great. You can also use this oil to support circulation. Try using it with our Simply Earth lotion base. Just add a few drops to the base and apply it to your body to help support circulation. You can also use ginger essential oil in a diffuser to help support your emotional well-being. I love to diffuse this oil with lemon and other citrusy oils to make an uplifting aroma that helps me feel empowered. Let's talk about how this oil works. Its main natural constituents are beta-bisboline and beta-sesquiphylandrine. You can learn more about these naturally occurring chemicals in our blog post, which is linked in the description. Let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. We recommend using this oil with kids aged 10 and up. This oil is generally safe to use around pets. Make sure you talk to your vet before using this with a pet, and read our blog post about using essential oils with pets and the important things you need to know. This oil is unlikely to be irritating on the skin. Just make sure you dilute it before you use it. Thanks for watching. To gain more confidence and clarity on how to use essential oils, subscribe to these videos.